Hi everyone, and welcome to WordPress Witchcraft. Thanks again for joining us. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain all about AMP. AMP. What is AMP? For all you affiliate marketers out there and bloggers and WordPress website designers, AMP is really being talked about. And everywhere you look and read, you can see lots of information about this new idea around AMP. So basically, what is it? What is AMP? So basically, AMP is a project by Google. If we flick over to this website, it explains it quite simply. It stands for Accelerated Mobile Pages. And it's a Google-backed project. It's not just Google, it's backed by a lot of big internet and web companies. And it's basically designed to make mobile applications run quicker. So what do we mean by that? So when you load up a website page and you look at an article, it may be full of links and adverts and pop-ups. It looks scruffy, it slows the page down, it uses a lot more data. So basically, AMP is a way of accelerating those pages and making it easier for the user to read. A lot of big companies have done it now. You'll notice on like Facebook, you'll see a lot of the articles pop up, and when you press it, the actual article is simplified. By the way, simplified, it's stripped of all the things that are slowing it down, like pop-ups and adverts. So let me just go into showing exactly what it is, how you can get it on your affiliate website, and how it's going to benefit you. So if we head over to my website, which is spiralbuzz.com, this is my test website, so please excuse the lack of content on here. It's just basically where I use to test plugins and new applications, etc. So I'm going to show you I'm going to start by actually installing it, showing you where you can install it, and then I'll run you through step by step. All Google searches in the future will be AMP. Without a shadow of a doubt, Google is going to go towards AMP websites and AMP posts. So basically, if it's got a choice of your post in the regular WordPress format with all the adverts and pop-ups on it, or it has a choice of showing it as an AMP type post, which is stripped back, bare content post, it's going to go for that one. They're going to rank and search better, and Google's going to prefer the user, which after all, at the end of the day, Google just wants the user to have a great experience, and they're certainly going to read and enjoy the article better if it's in an AMP format rather than the old-fashioned standard WordPress format. So it's vital that you get this installed on your websites. It doesn't mean to say you're not going to earn commission from adverts or affiliate products. You can still add adverts onto AMP posts. Let's make that clear. It doesn't strip away every single advert. You can go into the AMP settings and you can still put adverts on there. It just basically narrows it down and makes it look more professional and doesn't add as many, but you still can get Google ads on an AMP post. Let's just make that clear, you can do it. But personally, I think the best way with all affiliate websites is to create good, clean content that your user's going to like, with an affiliate link on there that they can read the post very easily, click the link, go over, buy the product, and you make some commission. Rather than tons of pop-ups everywhere that they're having to shut down every 2 minutes. So I digress. Let's go on and actually install the plugin. So first of all, you install the plugin in the usual way. And for all those of you who've not installed many plugins, basically just go to Add a New, and this will take you over to the plugin section. I'll just shut this down, and simply type AMP, and it will find your plugin. AMP for WordPress. There we go. Accelerated Mobile Pages. Simply click Install, and once that's installed, you can see there, look, 300,000 users already. It's incredible. Every website is going to need this. Click activate. And once that's installed, you'll get the usual little icon at the side. There we go. You have analytics and you have general. So if you click the general, it basically just gives you an option of the type of, do you want it on your posts and on your pages? Of course, it's the post. That's what you want. You want your post to be in mobile format, accelerated and improved. So, and you've also got analytics on here. You can add options for different types of analytics on here. To be honest, I don't really bother with that. It's just simply getting the post to appear in an AMP format. So if we just go to a post that I've wrote on here, again, it's just a test post, so please excuse the quality of it. I've got one here, Can Crushers wall mounted, recycling made easy. Let's just have a look at that. So if we just go to edit, we'll be able to see the difference between the posts. So as you can see over on the right hand side, you've got the little AMP symbol has now appeared. Can you see that just in the top right hand corner? So what we can see if we look at a post that I've done here, it's just a usual affiliate post, bit of information. And if we view that, so I'm just going to go to preview. You'll be able to see from the post how it's formatted and laid out in the usual. So this is a usual WordPress format. You can see there. And if I go, if we now go over to the AMP, you can see the stripped out, amplified, faster loading page. As you can see, the format looks totally different, really. You get your header, you get your picture, you get the wording. But what you'll see is these squares here are usually where your Google AdSense adverts are. So again, it's stripped it down. It's still got the affiliate links. Look, you still got your commissions here, but it's took out all the advertising. It's took out all the pop-ups. And it just looks very, very, very simple. And again, on a mobile, it doesn't do it justice here, but on a mobile, if you view it, the difference is astounding. It's, it's so much quicker. It's so much easier to read. You can still, like I say, put adverts in there if you wish, but you're kind of taking away from the whole idea of AMP. The whole idea of AMP is that you're giving your user a better experience, which will mean they'll come back time and time again. And at the end of the day, if somebody has enjoyed your article, they're more likely to click on an affiliate link somewhere down in your post than they are, then otherwise they'll just bounce off your page with all the pop-ups coming on. I can tell you now, you will learn far much more from somebody clicking an affiliate link than you're going to get from one or two Google AdSense popping up on the post. So I would prefer a cleaner, stripped out version of the post that makes good reading, good content, and easy to click over to your affiliate website, to your affiliate links. So again, install AMP on your website, and your posts will be offered in two formats. It'll be offered on the standard desktop format that you've got, and then the option will be there for users on their mobile to view the AMP version of your post. Again, can't stress how vital this is going to be and how important this is going to be for everyone to install this on your website. If you write any type of blog or affiliate post, this is a must for you. Check it out. Install AMP. It's a free plugin again. Like I said, just go to your plugins, install it, activate it, and it'll come up there. There's no settings involved. There's no cost involved. You're just giving the user a different option to enjoy your post in a better laid out structure, easier for them to read, provides better content. Okay, so hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, please subscribe to WP Witchcraft. Our YouTube channel is quite new. It's very new. We do tips, tutorials, review products, everything WordPress related. So go over, check us out. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you for watching.